Dear one, he pleaded as an elf before her feet in tears. My love is true. Why? Why have you kept me waiting all these years? He didn't look at him like you. He seemed and whispered.
Persistent, you have to prove by deeds your love is true.
There is not a thing I would not do for you, beloved,
Said he, then go
said she.
to your mother dear, and bring her heart to me.
Ha, 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 ha,
Without another word, he left and went to his mother dear, and opened her breast and took her heart. No, Lamin! Go, Sherry! Sherry!
He had the price that would bring his maiden son. And he thought of his mother dear.